I've got a recipe for a delectable pasta with chicken and mushrooms, a perfect idea for a tasty meal for the whole family. You can find the precise quantity of ingredients described under the video. I would like to ask the new viewers to subscribe to the channel. Firstly, on a hot oiled pan, nicely brown about 400 grams of diced chicken fillets and season with your favorite spices. For me, salt, pepper, sweet paprika, and finally I add a spoonful of flour. I cover and fry everything together. Once the chicken is brown, we take it off the flame for a moment. Then we brown onions in the same pan. And once the onions start caramelizing, we add in mushrooms, sliced up, and fry it all till the water evaporates from the mushrooms. At last, season the mushrooms with salt and pepper, then add in a couple of sun-dried tomatoes, the marinated ones in my case, then about 1/3 of a cup of 30% cream, 1/3 of the pasta boiling water, and put back in the browned chicken fillets. At the end, a generous amount of chopped parsley. Any cooked pasta, I use 250 grams. Mix it all and a tasty meal ready in a few minutes. I highly recommend. You can find all the recipes on my blog. The link is provided under the video. Thank you, best wishes.